Hello friends, so welcome to my YouTube channel. Today is my 29 day of 90 days English speaking challenge. So friends, today I am talking about that one thing because it's also important things. Everybody face this type of problems. How to wake up early without feel tiredness and excuses. Like Buddhism always taught about that. Like only woke up early, not decided the body, not decided the body, and always decided the mind. When you calm down your mind, sleep and woke up wisely, then you also know how can woke up the early. So without feel tiredness. Firstly, like when you sleep, then sleep with the awareness and you calm down your mind. When you sleep before sleeping, calm down your mind and always deep breathe and do short meditation. It's also helpful and lets the go anger and anxiety and negativity also. So like when you do this type of things, then you always like sleep well. So like second things, always when you sleep right time and right amount of sleep. Always take it these things and always sleep on time. When you sleep, then you know how can I handle it the situations. Like before sleeping, you don't sleep over sleep and undersleep. Always sleep the right amount. Which amount like around 6 to 7 hours. Always balanced life and sleep. So it's also important things. When you sleep properly, then you know how can handle the body, how can handle the mind it. And always sleep the right direction and right posture. So how can sleep it like Buddhism always taught about that. You are always laying on the right side and mindfulness. So it's also like a lion sleep. This type of things. Always do it and always sleep the properly and mindfulness when your mind is define your purpose and goal. When you woke up, then you firstly don't scroll the phone, don't touch the phone because mobile phone distract you. So always firstly deep breathe and your body control it and your mind train it and think about that I am alive. In your mind I am alive and I am use my time wisely today. And every day you say this type of things, affirmation and gratitude, then you feel happy and do some exercises and some meditation sometime. Then you also know how can handle it the situations. It's also important things. Always sleep. When you wake up, then you think about the positively and define because your goal decided how to wake up early. It's your responsibility also. So you know your responsibility, then you woke up early. It's also important things. Firstly, you train your mind because your mind decided it. How can handle the all situations. And when like you stress, feel any other things, think about that before sleeping. Then you not wake up early and always think about positively and your goals. Then you also woke up early. It's also important things and you also do it when you woke up, when you want to woke up early. So it's very important for you. Then you achieve your goals also. So like you deep sleep deep well and it's also important things, but you take care your body, your mind, train your mind, then you also control all things. So friends, okay, it's my today's content. I will upload next video tomorrow. Okay friends, bye bye and take care.